Good morning, y'all. And this is Reagan with Go Reagan. And today we are unpackaging some more pens from my friend Hannah Barger in Cape Coral, Florida. So let's see what she sent us. We have one Munchling and one Castle to add to one of my mini Munchling sets and Castle set, as well as two coffee cups to continue my Starbucks to go series. I am so excited. They are gorgeous, and I'm so thankful to you for sending them to me. And I can't wait to trade with you in the future. Thank you so much again. And thanks for watching, everybody. Happy pen trading. So the pens I traded are as follows. You have one 2025 Hidden Mickey Castle and one Angel Fruit Salad Munchling. That's the first set. The second set is also as follows. You have one Minnie Mouse to-go coffee cup and one Cheshire Cat to-go coffee cup, which is kind of fitting because I also have a to-go coffee cup this morning. So those are the pens that I traded for, and that's all.